Everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. And this link I will provide in description box. Join it. Let's discuss our job update. Our first job is from PayU. PayU is hiring for business analyst and data analyst. And location is Gurgaon, Haryana, India. PayU is a payment India, and how to apply this job? You have filled according to here, and salary is 6 LPA to 8 LPA per year. Okay, and hiring for fresher interns. Then you have fill all the detail, like you have upload here resume, your full name, email, and after that you have submit your form. Our second job is from L&T E2Tech. L&T is hiring for training engineer for 2023 batch, and who are eligible for this job. If you are currently pursuing uh, in 2023, then you have only eligible for this job, and graduate like BCom, BBA, BBM, BSc in physics, mathematics, statistics after 10 plus 2. Okay, academics academic who overall career student apply on this job. And how to apply this job? You have fill all the details, you have fill all the basic details, you can see here, and this link I will provide in description box. Please apply on it according to that. Our next job is for junior data analyst, and this is your job description, like you have knowledge of MSBI SQL developer, SSRS, and, and SSMS SQL reporting service, AWS, Google Analytics, and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply now, and you fill the details. Okay, our next job uh, is for internship in a Python developer, and this is about team, and this is your responsibility, like provide daily code commits, write unit test, and all, and requirement like Python, Fast, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the location is remote, means work from home. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply for this job, and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst and data analyst. And location is Bangalore, Karnataka. And company name is JP Morgan. And location I am already said at, and this is your job description. What is your role and what is your responsibility? You can see here, work closely with project manager to understand and maintain focus on their analytical needs, including like KPI, critical metrics, protective analysis, and create, maintain, reach through data interpretation, analysis, integration, and various types of role. And this is your requirements, like good grading process, report, proposal requirements, and technical skill needs like macros in Excel, VBA in Excel, Tableau, Atrax, basic knowledge of Python, Sparks, hands-on experience in SQL, and proficient in Microsoft Project, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And how to apply the job? You have click here and you fill all the detail. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you, everyone.